Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and in this video we're talking super glue, what it is and how to use it. Now when it comes to using super glues, there's a bunch of different manufacturers that make this stuff. The idea behind these glues is they're typically clear, they can bond a lot of different materials, metal, wood, ceramic, paper, you name it. They're very good at small repairs. Some of them, it's a single part glue, so they're very sticky. So typically you want to use that super glue on both pieces that you're trying to repair. And you want to apply a little bit to each one of those pieces and then hold them together with some pressure. And you want to typically hold some pressure for maybe about 20 seconds or so. There's also some super glues now that are light curing. Comes with a little light and you apply the glue and then you shine the light on there, and what it does, it sort of speeds up the gluing process so that you can kind of move on to the next task, whatever it might be. Keep in mind, it's very sticky. You want to avoid getting that glue on your skin. If you bring your fingers together with super glue, they're going to get stuck together and it's not going to be easy to get them undone. If you do happen to glue your fingers together, don't just pull because you could tear the skin. Apply a little acetone or nail polish remover to loosen that glue and clean your fingers as well. Just be very mindful that it's very sticky and you want to avoid getting it on other surfaces. So when you're gluing things together, it's a good idea to put some newspaper down or something you're not worried about getting damaged by the glue. But if you need to bond something quickly and easily, super glue just might be the product for you. All right, coming up next, what's a hot glue gun and how to use it?